Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a hair tutorial video where I'm going to show you how I curl my curly hair from this to this. So as you all know, this is the natural texture of my hair, frizzy, curly, messy. I washed my hair today morning and this is how they look when they're completely dry. And while I love curly hair, I obviously want my curls to be without the frizz. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your frizzy, messy curls into those beautiful, silky, beachy waves. So I hope you find this video helpful. Do watch it till the end. Please share and give a thumbs up if you like it. And also please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below and the bell notification button. And now let's get started. Whenever I know I have to style my hair, I make it a point to wash them first so that I can start with clean hair. Now, many of you might be wondering, why do I need to curl my hair when I already have curly hair? Well, the answer is there is a lot of frizz in my hair, which makes it really difficult to manage, especially if I want to keep my hair open. So I want my curls to be really sleek, shiny and defined. Now the process that I go through is a little time consuming because I first straighten my hair to remove all the frizz. But if you already have silky, frizz-free hair, you can totally skip this step. So to straighten my hair first, I'm going to be using a heat brush, but you can also use a flat iron or even blow dry your hair straight, whatever you are comfortable with. So I have set this on a very low temperature because I don't want my hair to be super straight at this point. I just want to remove the frizz. Plus, curling would also require some heat, so I would suggest don't use a lot of heat while straightening your hair. And while it's getting heated up, I'm quickly gonna spray some heat protectant spray on my hair. It is very important to use a heat protectant spray to your hair before giving any kind of heat styling to protect your hair from damage. I am also going to detangle my hair with this white comb. And now we are going to straighten. By the way, in this entire video, you will find me looking in that direction, and that's because that's where my mirror is kept. Alright, so my hair feels pretty smooth and straight now. All the frizz is gone, as you can see. I had even done a step-by-step tutorial on how to straighten your hair using a heat brush. I will link it somewhere over here in case you want to check that out. And yes, now let's get on to the main step of curling the hair. Now, for curling, I'm going to be using this very beautiful curling wand by DeWalt. They were so kind to send me this product some days back. I have used it a couple of times and it works amazingly well. So this is their Pro Series 32mm curling wand, and it came in this very classy looking box, which actually mentions some of its features, like it has 100% titanium barrel, lightweight body, instant heat and variable temperature control, easy to read color LCD display, infrared heat technology. Then it has dual voltage for world travel, that is 100 to 240 volts, which I think is very, very important. Having a universal voltage makes any product really convenient for traveling. And it has 360-degree swivel cord. Now coming on to the product, it looks really good quality. And it also have different temperature settings, which is from 265 degrees Fahrenheit to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. And they have also included a nice heat glove in the box, although I don't really use it, but you should definitely use it. If you are not used to using a curling wand or you're using it for the first time, you should definitely wear this glove. So now I'm going to plug it in and we're going to create beautiful beachy curls. Alright, so I have plugged it in and I'm going to set the temperature on the second lowest temperature setting, which is 284 degrees Fahrenheit. And while it's heating up, I'm going to tie some of my hair up because we're going to work on little sections. And now I'm going to take my curling wand. Now this one has a very thick barrel. It's 32 mm. The curling wand usually comes in 19 mm, 25 mm and 32 mm. These are the standard sizes. But make sure you go for the thickest barrel possible if you are looking to create those big voluminous curls. The thinner the barrel, the tighter the curls. So I'm going to randomly pull out a section and then I'm going to hold my curling wand like this, facing down, and you're gonna wrap the hair around it like this, away from the face. Guys, you know, make sure that you wrap your hair away from the face and be very, very careful not to burn your hair because the wand gets really heated up when it's hot. And then you're supposed to hold it for some seconds, say about 30 seconds. And drop it. Can you see the curls? And now you want to keep doing the same thing to the rest of your hair. Guys, holding it becomes really boring sometimes, but you've got to do what you've got to do. Okay guys, so this side is almost done. As you can see, I have started from the midsection and worked till the end. I haven't really curled from the roots because this is how I like it. And now we are going to repeat the same thing on this side. So you want to take section by section again. Hold your wand downwards and wrap it away from your face like this. I think it's very important to hold your curling wand correctly. That I think is the most complicated thing. And make sure to wear the gloves if you're using it for the first time or if you're not used to using these kind of products so that you don't end up burning your fingers. Hold for some time and release. See? So if you can see, I'm wrapping the hair like this on the curling wand and holding it for about 50 to 20 seconds. If your hair are really thick, you can hold it for longer, but that's how I do it. And release. And it usually takes longer in the beginning, but once you get the hack of it, things get better, trust me. So as you can see, I'm just grabbing random sections and just twist, hold, and release. Okay, so both of these sides are done and now we're going to move to the upper section. Now, one important tip while curling your hair is never touch your curls while they're cooling down because you want them to stay in that position so that they last longer. If you start playing with your hair while they are still hot, the curls will open. So as soon as you release it, you want to make sure you don't touch your curls until they cool down completely. And now we're going to move to the upper section, which is the main part of my hair. And we're going to repeat the exact same process here as well. Again, holding it downwards. So guys, nothing fancy, nothing new. The process is quite boring. You have to repeat the same thing again and again, but the result is really nice. So I'm gonna speed forward the entire thing with music so that you don't get bored. And this is how one side should look like. It's like a shampoo ad going on here. Let's quickly finish it up. So this is how your hair should look like once they're done. I hope you remember what my hair looked like before. And this is such a drastic change. The frizz is gone, the curls look so much more defined, smooth, shiny, and these are just beautiful beachy waves. You can even go for thinner barrel if you want tighter curls. And I don't usually use any hairspray after doing this because I want to keep this on for like next 3 to 4 days and then wash it off. So I don't really like a lot of product on my hair. But if you're going for a party or a function, you can always spritz some hairspray and you're good to go. So yeah, this is the final result. I am really happy with this curling wand. Thank you so much, Duval, for this. And guys, if you are looking to buy any curling wand or any other hairstyling product, you should totally check their website out. It's www.duval.com. They have some really amazing products. Plus, I have an amazing discount code for you guys, which will give you 70% off off on your purchase from this website. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below or my picture in this small circle over here. And once you subscribe, also don't forget to hit the bell notification button for regular updates. So yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I will see you later. Bye.